details of a 1994 Peterbilt 379 model with the 3406B 10-speed Eaton 4 behind it. I'm going to go ahead and give you an interior video of this truck. As you can see, the door panels are present. They are not torn up. On this side, this little pocket here is maybe got a little wear on it from its age. As you can see, 379 model. It does have an air ride seat on the passenger or driver's side here. The seat is torn here in the corner, which is pretty common. Go ahead and show you it has 998,000 miles on the frame. The engine has been overhauled. We are trying to locate the paperwork for the overhaul. Headliner's in good shape. This here is falling down a little bit, but it's not in bad shape whatsoever. Eaton 10-speed. Passenger side seat here in good shape. Go ahead and show it does have Jake brakes. Go ahead and give it a little throttle here. As you can hear, they are engaging. It also has a manual engine fan, headlights, clips, all that sort of stuff. It does have a diff lock, fifth wheel sliding hitch as well. None of the tractor or trailer brake engagers are leaking. That's a very common problem. The AC is blowing. I would say it's moderately working pretty good. The exhaust temperature gauge is working as well. And the horn works, and the lights are all working as well. And the wipers do work, and the sprayers work. Okay. Go ahead and show the engine running well. No depth, no EGR, just pure American dream right here, ladies and gentlemen. You can buy this truck from Equipment Deals. Please contact us at 480-282-3319.